Hey everybody, this is Mr. Bill. I'm gonna install a new GFI ground fault indicator, I guess, reset, and follow the instructions. And it should be, so I don't know if I'm in the way or not. Let me see if I am or not. I kind of am. I'm gonna try to do as much as I can. But you always remember, see the white and white, the ground goes to ground, white on one side, black or red on the other side. Green is ground always. Black or red is hot. Yellow could be hot or neutral. I have to check that, but white's always negative. So hopefully that is the weirdest. You can do it. Always shut the power off. Don't listen to anybody who says, "Oh, you don't shut the power." No, shut the power off. Okay. Always shut the power off. Okay. This is educational purposes. Educational. Yes, must have an adult. If you're under, I'd say 18. Okay. Now they went bad. It does. They do. They go bad. They go bad, and that happens. And they, when you hook wire, what you do when you hook it here, you bend the wire back and make your little hook. That gives it a little bit of a. Sorry, don't mean that. It gives a little bit of a leeway on there. So I'm gonna take this round off to work. I'll leave it on. Yes. Let's see. See how these wires are? You can see it, and then move it up close. And anyways, you see this here? Oh my God. Okay, there we are. This here, remember, white on one side, black on the other side. Okay. Always keep your ground connect that first, and then your other. But the power's off completely. So remember that. And if you want to do it as a kid, yeah, have an adult with you. Read about it, read it up. Make sure you know. And this has an indicator, a little switch right here. What I like. That one did too on the bottom, so I'll put that on top like that. As long as the wire is the same, white, black, ground. Copper, uh, copper, definitely, green, copper, bare copper ground. And I don't have any electrical tape, but the teacher taught me from Voc Tech, I can't think of his name now. Dale, I don't know, I can't think. Anyways, he said to when you make a connection here, when you have to connect, the wires anyways, put some electrical tape around it because vibrations like from a fan or an air, whatever, it's smart to do. Just something extra to do. I don't have any with me, so I would do it. Remember, black, white on one side. You don't cross them. You cross them, you're dead. You'll shock yourself. It'll trip a fuse, but you're probably gonna get shocked. And it's a shock you don't like. And in the comments, let me know who's stupid enough, like I did, to put a paper clip into a plug socket. And my parents had the old sockets. Then you reuse this copper. You reuse all this here, this ground. Just loosen it up. Now, depending on what the ground is on this here, they'll switch around. I have to. But I loosen everything. This marked green, this screw right here. Usually, like this is one side, this is net positive, this is ground negative. So, and that's exactly how this is. The silver, this here, see the silver right here is matched up with the same. So they're all going to go the same together like that. I remember that. Now, always hook up ground on first. Ground on a different side, but that could be fixed. Okay, now I'm going to continue with this video, okay? I'll do the second part. Okay, this is part one. How to install GFI.